Alright, welcome back. So today what we're going to do, I'm going to make a quick video on installing these Alcantara sun visors. So these are going to be available on Mashimaro.com. I'll put the link below for you guys. This one's really simple. It's a literal plug and play. I mean, I cannot make that any more simple than it is. You plug it in and it plays. So what you're going to do is you're going to see here, there is, let's see if we can get it. Yep. So there are two screws. You're going to be using a T25, which is going to look like this, and just go ahead and unmount those, and we'll go ahead and do that here real quick. Alright, so keep in mind, I just took this one out. In order to get this one out, the sun visor's in the way. You're going to have to just unclip it and just move it aside, just like that. Then you can reach it. And just like that, you'll see that this will come out. Careful of the screw. There it is, and you'll see it hanging by just a wire over there. We're gonna go ahead and detach that real quick. And in order to do so, you'll see this piece here, which was hidden inside here, so it's tucked away. So just pull it out slightly, really carefully, just so that you can fish the rest of this out, and then you just unplug it and then plug it in with the correlating one, as you see right here. So it's just plug and play. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and reverse the process, and we'll go ahead and plug this in right there. Alright, with that plugged in, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get this going. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take this. We're going to go ahead and fish this through again, just like so. Just tuck it in into the hole, and then you just align the hole again, put the two screws in, and you're literally all set. And then once you're all finished, go ahead and sit back and enjoy that Alcantara. It's probably hard to see, but you can see here, nice suede all the way down. Beautiful. And you do the same for the other side. And then you're all set. Hey guys, thanks for watching for another quick episode. These Alcantara sun visors can be found in the link below, like I said. Quick install, takes 2 minutes maybe per side, so maybe 5 minutes total. Definitely great just because for me, I like having that warning label removed. Not that I have anything against it, but it's a cleaner look. So if you like it, feel free to go ahead and drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.